I just got a message from my boss. Oh my God, bro. I'm so happy right now. Yo, you guys should look. The best message ever. Yo, you guys should see. No work. Come on, bro. Yo, I don't know if you guys saw the thing. See. Good morning. Don't come into work. What? Bro, a white guy typing this? Don't come into work today. From Vanessa too. Yo! That is what I'm talking about, bro. Stop playing. Yeah, my coffee. I'm going home. Yo, the way I'm cold. I had to run, bro. Better not fall. Yo. Jeez. Yeah, I just fell down. Damn. I just fell, bro. Jesus Christ. Yeah, just look at myself. I just fell. I'm going home. Yo, the way I'm gonna sleep, bro, nobody knows how happy I am.